Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to restart File Explorer to your taskbar Windows 10. If you want to pin File Explorer to taskbar in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly click on Start, type here File Explorer. After right click and click on Pin to taskbar. That is. If you want to unpin, click on Unpin from taskbar. That is. If you want to pin to taskbar, so right click on Pin to taskbar. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to restart File Explorer to your taskbar Windows 10. If you want to pin File Explorer to taskbar in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update.